Mm.
Okay, today is July 7, 2011. I am here in our residence and I have with me Judel and his mother Heidi. Just a overview, Judel is the student that we are helping, that the mission is helping. He is taking the engineering course at the Naval State University. We help him enroll and he has other needs for his school. So today we will be extending additional financial assistance to Judel for his studies, and this money comes from our mission partner, si Ma'am Stella of Canada. So Ma'am Stella sent me 2,000 pesos. She's actually a Filipina, but she's already living, residing, and working in Canada. So she sent me 2,000 pesos for Judel. I hope Judel, this will help you in your studies. So here, Judel, the 2,000 pesos from Ma'am Stella. So again, you have to be good in your school and do not forget to pray and include the mission and Ma'am Stella. So if Ma'am Stella is watching this video, Judel, what can you say?
I would like to thank Mom Stella for the money she gave to me and hope that this will be to her.
Okay. So Judel is very happy, no? At least 2,000 pesos can help him already. I guess I understand he needs to buy a calculator and other school requirements. Anyways, what is more challenging about the situation of Judel is that I told them that the mission will not be forever there to help Judel and I myself, because we are also helping many people, poor people here in our area. So that is why I encourage the mother of Judel to venture into a livelihood activity so that you can work for it and earn, and you can help Judel in his studies. And she said to me that she's proposing a food vending, meaning she has to cook, process food items, and she's going to sell it in public areas like terminal, school. And she already had an experience in doing this in the past. That is why she suggested that she's going to have this livelihood again. And when I talked to her earlier, she said that she needs around 10,000 pesos, that is about 250 US dollars, as her capital to start this small business. Is that correct? Tama ba? Sakto? Okay. So I hope and pray that if there are good-hearted people who could see this video, this presentation, please continue to help the mission so that I can continue to help Judel. I asked Judel how many pants he got. He said he got 3. If you have extra pants, please send some for Judel and t-shirts. Of course, he needs daily allowance. His examination is coming. When is your examination? August or September. So we have to pay. We need for the tuition fee again. And of course for the mother. So please, it is always the duty and obligation of the parents to send their children to school. So that is why let's hope and pray that there are good people who can provide capital in the amount of 10,000 pesos, 250 US dollars, so that the mother of Judel, Heidi, can start a food vending activity so that she can earn every day and can help her family and especially the studies of Judel. So sa imong maistorya, Heidi. Pwede Bisaya, sige.
Nagpasalamat ko sa taon ng tabang sa akong anak nga maka-enroll, maka-eskwela, maunta, tagaan, labi na si mag-eskwela.
Stella.
Akong giampo sa Ginoo nga tagaan siya may lawas nga unta daghan pang blessings maabot sa iya ug usab makatabang magpadayon pa siya tabang sa akong anak nga makalampo sa iyang pag-eskwela. O daghang salamat sa iyong pagtabang.
Okay. So, she simply said that she's very happy and grateful to Ma'am Stella and to the mission for helping Judel, and she hoped that there will be good people who can continue to help Judel, and also for her plan to have a livelihood activity so that she can earn and help her family, especially the studies of Judel. For that, we thank the Lord for the blessings, for the provision, and we continue to pray that our God will send few of His chosen people and bless them to become lifetime instruments of the mission so that we can continue to help people like Judel in this part of the world. Thank you and God bless.